plus the HTML. HTML is actually stands for hypertext markup language that enable you to create interactive or attractive web pages. Before going, it is also a language. It is also a programming language. It is also a language. C programming is a language. Java is a language. Python is a language. Then what is the difference here? The Java, Python, the C programming, C++, basically these programs are used for giving a business logic to the application. It means what? It's just like a soul in a body. Okay, so if body is there and if there is soul is not present, then you cannot say the person is active or that body is active. The C programming, C++, Java, they are providing or they are sold to any application. You are processing this information. What are the information you are enter through the form? It is processed by this programming language. Then what is that HTML? Where this soul is present. The soul is there in our body. So to create this body or to create this body of the application, we require the HTML. HTML create a structure of any application. Business logic like your Java program, like Python, like .NET, there actually is a soul of your application. They process the information. If you are not taking the input, then how you have to process? Where the processing is happening? So for creating this input window, we're using the HTML. That is a markup language that enable you to create a attractive and interactive website. Markup language provide a way to describe the structure of the web page, specifying how the text is displayed. So when you are creating a website, where your heading will display, what is the color it will be displayed, or how it attract the customer or attract the people, they have to visit your website. So for that reason, we are using this HTML. You can use this one. You write this one. Okay, you have to use like others. Sorry, read this web page. Okay. Moto silky bujiyala sta jora amar rahibo. It is a static page and dynamic. The static web pages are delivered to the user exactly as these are stored. Exactly as these are stored, and the content of this web page is not updated dynamically. In contrast, in dynamic web page, the content is rendered at the time of request. Okay, it means what? Some of the web pages amar अछि जोटा कि हमें गोटे वेबसाइट और फ्रंट पेज हमें देखिबा ता फ्रंट पेज ता केबे चेंजेस नै लिखि नते आज जहा देखियो काली भी शेयर किछि वेब पेजेस थी बस तुमको मागियो तो भाई मते आईडी दियो पासवर्ड दे सो बेस्ड अपन योर आईडी एंड पासवर्ड सी कोन करियो तुमरो को नेक्स्ट पेज नो जे यूजर से तो इंटरेक्शन करे जो वेब पेजेस ताको कोहा जीवा डायनामिक जे यूजर से तो इंटरेक्शन करिवो नाही ताको कोहा जीवा स्टैटिक वेब. Okay. The static web pages are delivered to the user exactly as these are stored. The content of the web page is not updated dynamically. In contrast, in the dynamic web page, the content is rendered at the time of request. The user gets the latest and the most recently updated information in the case of dynamic web. Okay. So right from web pages to this one, dynamic web pages. First you write web pages. What is web pages? Web page is a hypertext document. Hypertext means interlinked document. Web pages is interlinked document present on World Wide Web World Wide Web. It is commonly written in HTML. That is viewed in an internet browser. That is viewed commonly written in HTML. Commonly written in HTML. Viewed in an internet browser. Okay, now you write. The web pages are either static or dynamic. So write from these two web pages. www is a platform. It is a collection of the web pages that are scattered and interlinked. So it is a data warehouse where the information are stored and scattered but interlinked. This interaction among the web pages of the website is achieved by the hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink means it is created link to the every document. A hyperlink is the highlighted or underlined text on the web page that contain the address of the link web page. When you click on a hyperlink, a web page is open. Hyperlink means what? When you open Google and search for here mobile phone, then different site mobile phone is showing you Amazon. So it is a hyperlink. When you move the cursor, it is converted to the palm symbol. Okay, it is converted to the palm symbol. So it is a hyperlink. Okay. It is a collection of web pages that scatter but interlink. This interaction among the web page of a website is achieved by the hyperlink. Hyperlink is highlighted or underlined text on the web page that contain the address of linked web page. When you click a hyperlink, web page is open. Who is the hyperlink is pointing to? Moving from one page to the other by using of hyperlink color navigation. Okay, गोटे पेज रो हाइपरलिंक माने लिंक को क्लिक करके गोटे पेज को आ गोटे पेज को जीवा को कोआ जीवो नेविगेशन बोली कोआ जीवो हाइपरलिंक होची इंटरकनेक्टेड पेजेस माने से लिंक को क्लिक करले से आ गोटे पेजेस हमरो ओपन हो बुझियला मधु बुझियला सिल्की
Yes, sir.
तेरे लिखो व्हाट इज हाइपरलिंक और नेविगेशन पे पूरा YouTube है जे लिखो नेविगेशन Hmm? आगे आसी तो खाता देखी तो जो नंबरटा कौन करे 10 थर करी गोटे सेकंड सब अपेक्षा करो गोटे गोटे देखी लिखि देला तो देखो एबे आसे हमें HTML, it is a versatile markup language. So programming language or markup language with a difference. Now programming language is giving you functionality. Markup language is used to represent the information. So HTML is a versatile markup language that can be used on a different web browser to publish the information on the web page. It provided tag that help you creating a web page. It's a predefined. I mean, syntax use programming language, right? But keywords use tags use. By using of the tags, it enhances the look and feel of the web pages. By inserting the graphic, specifying the content in the different style, color, and size. This enhances the visual appeal to the web pages. Okay. Web pages and